Okay, good day. It's your driver here. Today we are here to explain something about braking system and stuff. How this international Eagle 9800 works. It's very easy. It's a smart shift. So yeah, a lot of people, new drivers, they wonder how this truck's braking system works. But yeah, I'm gonna explain that now. Yeah, so here is our gear shift. So I like to use manual because automatic it's not right sometimes. When you're talking about braking system, if you want to brake nicely, you must put it on manual. Use it manual, then you use the shift here. Shift up, shift down. Right now it's on neutral, so that's why the green light is on. So the important here is here. This is your braking system here. The charcoal brake. That the one that makes noise. Brrr, 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 brrr. Right. So to turn on, it's up. It must be up. You can keep it up like this if you want. Yeah, it's fine. Then when you want to brake, you just release the accelerator. So these are stages. So the stage number 1 is here, the down here, but it doesn't hold so much. Just for you to reduce, maybe not on the hill or anything, on the mountain or something. Number 2, it reduces speed but not so tight. Number 3, this one holds so tight now. This one, that's where it makes more noise. Like, brrr, yeah. But for this thing to work now, you must make sure you selected the right gear right here. How do you know that you selected the right gear? The gears also read from here. That's where you read from 1 to 18. It's got 18 gears, this one. So how do you know if you selected the right gear? Yeah, that's where it shows you that you are in the right gear. If your rev count here is between 10 to 15, you are going down the hill, you are still on the right gear and the right speed also. But if it goes to yellow here, it's a warning for you to drop down the gear before it's too late. Because if it goes almost here, halfway of this orange, you won't be able to change it down now. That's where people lose it. Now they can't change down anymore, and they say, no, the truck lost the brakes and stuff. So to avoid that, you keep it here. You change down so that you keep it here. The more you change down here to change your gears down, the jacob brake also, it's gaining more power. You see, that's how it works now. But as long as it's going to the orange or red, it's losing more power. It's going to lose more power, the jacob brake. So to make it hold so nice, it must be this side here, right here, right? So you don't have to forget that. But let's say maybe you forget, maybe something happened, then you forget, you have to use this thing here, right here. This is a trailer brake. A trailer brake, just because you are loaded, you have to be careful when you are pulling it down. So you have to pull it and release, pull it and release, so that your rev count can go back to normal, so that you can change down, right? You release it nicely, then it holds the trailer. But if you hold it like one time, the trailer is going to swerve, so you must avoid that, right? And also the other thing, you must maintain the pressure here. You mustn't put your foot on the brake, the foot brakes. If the gauge goes down like the way you see it now, then it's a trouble. And that light also, sometimes these trucks, the gauges are not working. So if that light is on, then you are almost in trouble now. Right now I'm just standing, so it doesn't matter. So you must make sure your gauge is over 6 here. 600. then you are on the safe side, right? That's all right. Yeah, that's all I got for today.